As a missioner of health, I will dedicate myself to devote services to human welfare. Assalamu alaikum guys, you're watching YouTube channel We Nurses and this is your host registered nurse Mohammed Ali. आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल प्लेज 1935 and it begins with I solemnly pledge myself before God and in front of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully, abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standards of my profession and will hold all personal matters committed to keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. Will I endure to aid the physician in his work. As a missioner of health, I will dedicate myself to devote services to human welfare. Thank you so much for watching the video. अगर आप लोगों को इसमें कोई भी कमी लगे तो do let me know. I will try to improve myself. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.